Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today I'm bringing to you another pedicure video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. You can see my toenails are overgrown, so I'll start by cutting the overgrown nails off. I always want my toenails very short. Next, I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface and the edges as well. I'll come in with my hand file and clean up the work. With a dehydrator and clean off any excess dust for oils that might be on the nails. Next, I'll come in with a primer. This helps the gel stick longer. I'll come in with the base coat, which I'll cure them for about 60 seconds. I'm going for a very natural look, so I'm using this milky pink gel color. I'll give my nails first coat, then cure them for about a minute. Then I'll come in with a second coat and cure them for another minute. Finally, I'll seal them off with a glossy top coat. Oil to help relax my cuticles.